everyone, and welcome to this episode of China Africa 360. I'm your host, Madikezo Mutao. Since the first case of COVID-19 was reported in South Africa in March 2020, the coronavirus has been posing great threat to people's health and causing great losses to all aspects of the country's economic and social development. Statistics from the National Institute of Communicable Diseases of South Africa show that more than 2.8 billion COVID-19 cases have been identified as of September the 10th, with nearly 85,000 people having lost their lives because of the virus. Scientific research shows that vaccinations are one of the most effective ways to prevent the virus. So far, a total of 14 million doses of vaccines have been administered in South Africa, most of it by adults. Fortunately, CoronaVac, produced by China's Sinovac Life Sciences, will join in to help South Africans fight against the pandemic. On September the 10th, Numolux Group Limited, the Sinovac's agent in South Africa, is launching its clinical tests on children and juveniles at Safako Mogato Health Science University campus. The test plan has been announced.
After the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, China and South Africa have been sincerely helping each other and combating the pandemic with solidarity and friendship. We firmly believe that the Sinovac vaccine will arrive in South Africa in a very short time. Thus, injection positive impact to the China-South Africa, China-Africa anti-pandemic cooperation. Sinovac vaccine has been proved to be safe in children and adolescents based on the clinical trial completed in China, and it produced a strong antivirus neutralization antibody response. China has approved the emergency use of Sinovac vaccine for the age of 3 to 17 in early June.
2 volunteers received the CoronaVac vaccine doses as of today. The South African Health Products Authority has approved the use of CoronaVac in the country as of July the 3rd to help tackle COVID-19. Former Acting Minister of Health, Mmamoloko Kubayi-Ngubane, has described the approval as a turning point and much needed relief for the current vaccination program.
We as Numolux have received numerous inquiries from the public as to when CoronaVac will be rolled out in South Africa, as it was already approved with conditions by SAPRA. We are still following due processes, and as soon as we have completed that processes, we will be able to ensure that our people have access to this vaccine. Again I say, and this is for us important, the children of Africa are the future, and something must be done to protect this precious future human capital against the deadliest pandemic.
Vaccinations are the most effective weapon against the COVID-19 pandemic, which ravaged the world for most part of last year and is still rampaging across the globe. With Corona vaccine joining in, South Africa will surely speed up its vaccination program. After all, more young people are still waiting to get vaccine into their arms. That's all for today. China Africa 360. Goodbye.